No, you know why you can't go out? Why can't you go out? Where have you been going? Up on the roof? No, that wasn't an okay. Abby. Abby. Abigail, stop ignoring me. You stop ignoring me. Okay. This will make for an exciting video. Oh, God. Anyways, let's look at Puggy out in the sun. So cute. Can't even see her. This camera doesn't zoom in. And there's little Missy. Hi, little Missy. How are you? Oh, you like being filmed, don't you? Do you like being filmed? What do you do here? Oh. 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 Can you do something spectacular? Did you see Puggy sitting out in the sun? Isn't that cute? She's being so cute. What? Do you see something out there? Abby? Abby, you see anything out there? Look in your face, motherfucker. You won't let me out. I'm not even gonna look at you. Speak. Sneeze. Sneeze. Can you sneeze for mommy? Sneeze. Sneeze. Thank you. Sneeze. Can you sneeze? Sneeze. Oh, don't talk back. Can you sneeze for me? Sneeze. Wait. I know it's hard to sneeze on command, isn't it? Okay, just do it once. Sneeze. Just once. Sneeze. Oh, you're so mouthy. Can you sneeze? No barking, just sneezing. Like, do your sneeze. Do one of those. Sneeze. Who are you? You're like a little Klingon. Sneeze. Sneeze once. Come on. For just once. 20 times. Do 20 sneezes. 15 times. See, once is hardly at all. Sneeze for mommy. Sneeze. I know, I'm a pain in the ass, aren't I? Why don't you sneeze, Mom? Why don't you sneeze on command? Roxy. Okay, that's it. You're cute. Your ears are so cute. Okay, I'm turning it off. Do you care? You want to do anything before I turn it off? You want to do anything? Sneeze, maybe? Bitch I am, eh? Oh, fucking bitch I am. Your breath is going to make me pass out.